Yes, good evening. I just brought you this to solve the problem of the application known as splayer to have the problem of downloading the video. Always it download the video, but right now we're facing the problem, or we're using on stream this application, this on stream, to search any movie that we want, and we download it through splayer as uTorrent. So instead of uTorrent, those application combination are working together to bring you a HD movie with subtitle which you desire. So nowadays we have the problem that the splayer is not downloading the video. It's a download failed. Many people try to give out the tutorial on how to fix the problem, but they end by suggesting that we probably wait for the another release of this application so that can fix the problem. But here we go, I brought you a solution, simple and clear. Just watch me. Don't forget to subscribe and make any comment of any problem that you have technologically so that I can try to figure out the solution and give it to you. So first of all, you're supposed to make sure you have the latest version of this splayer, this one, and this application it found on App Store right here. So when you go to App Store and write splayer, you will find this application, but on stream cannot be found on Play Store, but you're supposed to download it through the Google search like Chrome, yeah, something like that. You will find an APK of it. After having this latest version of splayer application and have the problem of downloading the video that you want, you're supposed to hold on it, this splayer. After holding on it, you will go to the app info. After being here to the app info, force the application to stop right here. After forcing the application to stop, I'm just to show you because I'm already solved the problem. So you will do this alone and your application will be done solve the problem. I hope that. So after stop the application, you will go to the storage. After being to the storage here, you will create caches right here. After create cache, then you will clear the data. After clearing the data and clear the caches, then you will remove this recent application of it, of the setting which you were dealing with. Then after, you will go to the file manager of your phone or file explorer, this one. To me, I'm using Samsung, that's why it's look like this. So you go to the file manager, open it, and to the search or button, you will have to search for splayer. Remember that any video that you download for the splayer are stored to your phone, to the folder that is known as splayer folder for the download folder. So this splayer folder, you're supposed to highlight it after searching it, and you have to rename this application. You have to rename this splayer folder, put 1 2 3. Then after, you rename the this folder. But to me, I will not rename this folder because I'm already done to fix the problem that I was facing before. So I will let this folder as it was. Okay. So then I'll hold the problem right here. Let me fix it. I will hold on the application, then after I will rename the application like this, like you saw. But to mine, I'm already fixed the problem, so I will let it remain as it was. Then after renaming the folder, you will clear the recent application that you have been using. After that, if your phone is Samsung, you may wait a little bit so that you can start opening the application and it will work smoothly as new. So for those who have different phone, I never tried for the different phones, but you supposed to restart your phone after those steps I showed you. Then after restart your phone, then you may open the application and you will find out that the application problem have been fixed. No more error of download failed. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me. Leave the comment of any problem that you have technologically, software problems or whatever, and I will try to find out the solution of your problem. Thank you. I love you guys. Ciao.